Hello students, we are going to discuss about factors affecting crystallization. First one, presence of another substance. Second one, solvent. Third one, nucleation. Fourth one, crystal growth. Fifth one, rate of cooling or time. One by one we will discuss. First one, presence of another substance. Sodium chloride crystallized from aqueous solution produces cubic crystal. So suppose sodium chloride is crystallized from a solution containing a presence of another substance, that is small amount of urea. What will happen? The crystal uptime will have octahedral faces. What is octahedral? 8 faces, 12 edges, 6 vertices. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is one of the factors affecting crystallization. Second one, solvent consideration. Solvent with moderate solubility is preferred for crystallization. Example, benzene solvent. Presence of benzene can help crystal growth. Are you clear or not? Okay. So why? Because benzene having moderate solubility. So next one, avoid highly volatile solvent. So volatility is inversely proportional to solubility. Volatility is high, solubility is low. For this reason, avoid highly volatile solvent. Always prefer low volatility solvent. Why? Because that solvent having moderate solubility. Are you clear or not? Okay. Third one, nucleation. Crystals initially form via nucleating event. After a crystallite has nucleated, it must grow. Nucleating site are necessary for formation of crystal. Excess nucleation, what will happen here? Excess nucleation site cause smaller average critical size. Next factor, crystal growth. Keep crystal growth vessel away from sources of mechanical agitation. Example, vibration. Set up away from vacuum pump, hoods, doors, drawer and so on. Leave sample alone for 1 week. Don't check in with it. So this is one of the factors affecting crystallization. Last factor, time. Quality crystal grow best over time in near equilibrium condition. Time is longer, quality is high. Get better crystal. Faster crystallization is not good for crystallization. So always slow crystallization is suitable in crystallization operation. Faster crystallization, why not suitable in crystallization operation? Because higher chance of lower quality crystal. Are you clear or not? Okay. So that's why the slow crystallization is preferable. Why? Because this is chance of higher quality crystal, that is slower crystallization. Are you clear or not? Okay. Thank you for your attention.